Hello there, Scott from Wessex Blades. We got coconut at home and Jackie wants me to get into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and use as much of this as I can. So I'm going to cut it about there, I'm guessing. So I'll end up with sort of coconut cup. So I'm going to take the top off about there. Don't do much coconuts at home, so I'll go with my Leatherman Blast, which is my latest thing I managed to buy at a clearance in Bath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the saw and a knife at some point and just gently score all the way around there, work my way in. I'll get the juice and the milk out first. I'll go back to you in a minute. Right, got this set up. Get on the locked blade. It has sort of like a fixed blade effect there, that little locking mechanism. So I'll put it in the eye. Should be sort of in there like that. So that's the meat out we got in there. I'll just pierce it on one of the other ones to let the air back out again. Or not, depends how easy it's going to be. Is that going to pour out alright? So I'll just leave that like that while I go with my little Leatherman. I've just lost their dog, isn't it? Right, we got all the tools here. It's got a little seesaw, if you want to come in closer. And that locks all the tools. So that'll be the knife locked. What I'm going to use next is the saw. That comes out, over, and then lock there. So use that next. Cool. Coconut milk. Right. Right about there. And what I'll do next is I'll speed it up, or it'll go super duper fast. Okay? Right, watch your eyes, it's all blowing about, right? Do you know what? I thought this would be a bit harder than this. Mitch?
Yeah. I can see the determined in his face.
Coconut. More there. So there, got all the way around the shell. And there's the flesh. Right, cut there's mate, and I'll right plate. So at that stage, lock the plate back in. You know how easy that is to cut. That's ridiculously easy. Look, see that, Mitch? Look how. Now what I'll do is I'll score inside there and get the flesh out. So. Just work my way around.
Schmooky.
Amazingly. That bit fell out then. See if that works. No, so I scored. Round that way. Whoops. Fun in my mouth. So, we have some rough tinder. I bet I'll take a spark and smoulder to some degree. We have the meat of the coconut, the milk of the coconut, the top, and the main body, which, if I sand up like that, be a nice little cup. So introduction to my Leatherman Blast, leather case. There you go. Get the maximum out of your coconut. All the best. Stop much space.